Hello and welcome to day 15 out of my 25 days of Christmas, and today is a holly look. So I already have my base down and my brows glued down, and then I get an eyebrow pencil and start to sketch out the holly design on my face. I then absolutely snatch my cheekbones. I've contoured so hard in this look, and I also apply a lot of blusher. I use the Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette to do this. I then get a highlighter stick. This is the Colourpop Light Sticks in the shade Flying High, and I apply this on my cheeks where I put my blusher and the end of my nose. Now it is time to paint the holly. So I got this really light lime green and I start to paint each leaf with this first. This is by Mayron and it is in the shade Lime. I then use some dark green eyeshadows and start to create the shadowing in the centre of the leaves. Basically draw a line down the middle and then some lines coming off of it, kind of the typical leaf shape. I do this to every single leaf, including the one that is over my eye. Once I'm happy with the leaves, I then start to paint the red berries in the centre. Using some dark brown eyeshadows, I start to create some shading around all of the leaves, just so they stand out from my skin that little bit more. For my brows, I use a dark green face paint. You can only really see the middle of my brows because the rest is covered up by leaves. I then applied some lashes before applying the Colourpop $1 Million Baby lipstick on my lips. I then applied some red gems where the berries are in the middle of the holly, and I did this using eyelash glue. I then did the exact same thing but on my lips. So I covered my lips with eyelash glue and then stuck red gems all over them. If you have sensitive lips, do not do this. I had to be so gentle with removing this because otherwise it would have cut my lips to shreds. So please be careful with this. I used warm water and a really good makeup remover, and it took me about half an hour to 40 minutes to slowly work this off my lips without damaging them. So it does look really cool, but you have been warned, it can really affect your lips because your lips is very sensitive skin. So to finish this look off, I put on this green wig, this big green crown, and I got this holly wreath and just threw it all over me really. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. If you like it, make sure to press that like button, and if you'd like to see more from me, you can hit the subscribe button here on my channel if you haven't already, and you can also follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok. Over there my name is @Brooke.Ellis_ on both of them. It is linked in the description down below, along with some coupon discount codes if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!